Ria was lost in her inner world. Her mind was busy in thought procedure. She had not slept the whole night. She was obliged to start her day even if she hadn't slept. She was having a large heap of work to do. She had to arrange her stuffs also in her new room. Ria had moved to new city for her further work purpose. She had shifted here day before yesterday. In spite of starting a new chill-filled day, she was lost in her thoughts. The thought of fear, distance from family for the first time, a lot of loneliness was eating up her. Someone was knocking at the door. Firstly, she did not listen, but due to continuous knocking, she unlocks the door. She saw a stranger, a new face. Aditi told the stranger who was standing in front of Ria. Ria was continuously staring her without a single word. I'm your neighbor, said Aditi in a low tone. Have you come here for some purpose? Ria asked from Aditi. For making a new friend, replied Aditi. Ria asked her to come inside with a rude tone. Aditi was a talkative girl and she loved making new friends. She was interested in all sort of things. She gets acquainted with others easily. On the other hand, Ria was a simple girl. She does not talk too much. She liked to live alone most of the time. She does not like to talk with others much. We can say likely that she was an introvert. Aditi entered Ria's room and saw her heap of stuffs lying on the floor and said, if you want, we can do it together. It will be great fun spending time together. And then soon, from strangers, they become good neighbors, then good friends, then best friends. They both soon got acquainted with each other. After all, there's a beautiful tag in their friendship. Now, Ria was completely a changed girl, and this change was successful only because of presence of Aditi in Ria's life. After making many unsuccessful attempts, Aditi never stopped trying, and as a result, Ria has brought a lot of positive changes in herself. With the help of Aditi, from an introvert to make an extrovert is really a big journey, which Aditi has done for Ria. Now, Aditi and Ria share the same flat together and lived happily. This is the ability of a true friend, true best friend. Now, Ria was fine and perfect in her own eyes. She feels comfortable with others also. Aditi always says that she'll never forget Ria's first reaction when they meet, and Ria saw Aditi with a harassing face. There is a vivid picture of true friendship that came to my mind on this occasion of Friendship Day. So, happy Friendship Day!